Okay, just got a rotavator for the garden. The Honda Salad FF500. I'm just going to have a look at it, see what we've got here. Okay, the one thing I was interested in knowing is what's underneath here. So plastic there, metal there with paint, so that looks like it could do with some protection from having the paint chip from stones that get kicked up. Maybe the aluminium. These are a couple of $1,000, but well, about just around about $2,000. And then there's a bit for some of the extras we got, which is like a little plough and things. I'm never sure whether these should have some kind of a rubberized coating on or anything, same as this, but we'll see. We're just gonna test it one time and see what we've got here. But you've probably seen these in the marketing leaflets and everything. Yeah, plastic protection off. The thing we like about this particular model, it's fairly lightweight, although it's quite a chunk. We like the rotavators at the front, because if ever you put a rotavator in reverse, yeah, you got to think about your poor little toes. And I like this here for the plough attachment. This is pretty good stuff here. You connect them into there. Honda, obviously, you can generally trust Honda, can you? I think so. And everything seems to be made really well. And
those right there when you pull this.
yeah, that's for your. This is your clutch, like in most cars now they're automatic, so it engages the drive so it can spin on, so the wheels can turn depending on what gear you've got selected. So you've got 2 digging forward speeds, 3 walking speeds, and a reverse just there. So obviously we want it in neutral at first. Hello. We're just going to do a little bit of gardening. These are your exhaust ports. Check the oil. We're full and clean from the shop. And yeah, that's the only thing about rotavators. I don't know if they think enough about all the stones that in the garden that rattle up onto all the paintwork to chip it to make it go rusty, but otherwise well happy with Honda quality. You can only go a certain way with making these things, I suppose. You know, they're designed, these are guaranteed I think for 5 years for home use, 1 year for professional use. People really do give it some, but they're just popping around the garden. Alright, let's see how it works. 500 in line, gasoline on. We've got the start here. We're in neutral. A little bit of chalk. I'm not sure if you can hear my voice over the engine, but that'll give you a balance as to how loud it is. It sounds like the loudest little motorbike. 160cc engine. Alright, let's see how it goes. I should lower this earlier on, but I'm going to test it now. That sounds too easy, so I'll put it into the second gear. Second gear. Well, that took what seemed to be 40 minutes, was it? This would have been at least 2.5 days of bloody hard digging. I mean, I once dug it out of every single weed one year, but some of the seeds stayed, and I don't know. But that, what, just over half an hour, including the break. Not bad, not bad at all. Right, just going to give it a bit of that.
We did it!
This is my first ever attempt
We did it!
at rotavating and doing furrows, or whatever you call these things. You know, like for potatoes and things.
Dad, we did it!
We did it. You were sat watching a movie. We did do it, didn't we?
We did it! Yay!
Yeah. And let's have a look at that. Brilliant.
Cool!
Alright, so jet wash time, I think. Yeah, nice.